So the cord has some paint on it, and so I'm going to take mineral spirits that I have here. This is odorless mineral spirits and a red Scotch Brite here, and I'm going to, with this mineral spirits and the Scotch Brite, I'm going to scrub the cord to get off any paint and any you can see little places here and there, and any dirt and scum that may be around. Here's looks like this may have been the original label on the cord. Get it off, and I like using mineral spirits on this. I've tried to use acetone. I like acetone, but it doesn't do it because it's a little bit more gentle on things, but mineral spirits is a little bit more aggressive. It does leave a little bit of residue, so you gotta make sure you wash it or wipe it down really well. But get everything off the cord here and make it look brand new. This is the last real cleaning thing besides polishing the machine for one last time that I need to do before I start packing it up. So there we go. Got a good clean on it, and wipe it down with a cloth. With a paper towel here, get the residue off, and then let it dry. Just to kind of give you a look-see, after I scrubbed it down with this red Scotch Brite, I did wipe it down with this cloth. You can see all the black that came off. I'll rub it down one more time and then put some semichrome on it. So let's show you how the cord polishes up. A little semichrome polish on it. Get sort of all the white that came out of it when it was when we put mineral spirits on it. So it brightens it back up. So that's kind of what we're going to do here. So we'll see how the cord comes out when it's all, then I end up cleaning it all off. So you can see when you get the last semichrome off of it, polish it up on the cord, turns into a nice black again. I don't want any darker than that. I could probably use some wheel coat dressing on it, but I think it looks fine the way it is. It's better than what it was. So here we are. So I did use a little tire dressing. This is not black, it's clear. It's just a protectant, like I did rub that onto the cord, and you can see right now the cord looks brand new. So this is it's a nice little thing to use. So it's this Eagle 1 Concourse tire dressing and protectant.